in Autodesk Substance program, they well, they had a feature so you could get a result that looks something like that, and I was thinking, could I replicate that? So it went from this to that on the right side, and I was like, okay, is it possible to try to somewhat do the same? And I think maybe it is. So I think that's close. So if you only have Photoshop, then maybe this is a trick to, maybe this is something to try. Let's just go for it. If only I can remember what I did here. So this is, let's see, luminosity. But that is not luminosity, that is a high pass. And then I think, yeah, I took the high pass, inverted it with a vivid light, and then this is just contrast, and that's it really. As for removing shadows, I've shown that in other videos. But alright, so luminosity and vivid light. Let's try. So let's go for, okay, it's already here. Alright, let's see, other high pass. I think we're going for something quite high actually. Let's go for 9 and choose luminosity. And that's pretty cool already. Lower this, so that's the original, and if I pump that up slightly, you can see it's going towards something like that, to 40. Copy that layer and then invert it. So let's see, then what? Vivid light, okay. Instead of luminosity, say vivid light. Actually, that's, I think we're going to do both. So 35-ish. Okay, take the luminosity again, duplicate it, invert it, and say vivid light. Where are you, vivid light? There. And yeah, so we're going to pump that down quite a bit. Let's see. Yeah, something like that, I guess. 20-ish. But you know what? Is that bad? That's actually pretty good, isn't it? We went from this to that.